Hello and welcome to another video. Today we have this Porsche 911 997 model Carrera 4S, and it came to us with an issue with the navigation. So let me show you exactly what's happening. So although the system has a DVD map in there, it's still asking for it. So it's got a fault here. If I press Navi, you can see it's continuously saying navigation system is being started. You can go to trip, Navi, and then it just comes back with this message. Please insert navigation DVD, although that is already in there. So we're going to investigate, check this drive, check what's going on. This is PCM 2.1 model. So let's start the diagnostics. Right, we found the issue. The navigation drive that sits in the front boot, as you call it in the 911s, is sitting next to the CD changer. The drive for the navigation is here, and that was the problem. It was just not reading discs anymore. So we have opened it up, diagnosed it, and found that the drive just failed. It's just age related, because obviously this car has some years now. The electronics do fail, and we've replaced the whole drive system, not the whole thing, but just the drive part of the reader, and now it's fully working. So let's put the disc in. I've got map, you see, PCM 2.1 DVD navigation Europe. I can put it back into the system. So that will just take it in, and let's just see how the system performs now. Right, I'm starting the system. This will just pick up straight away, and then if I press navigation, it will ask me to confirm. Let's go here and let's just press map, and there you go, it picks up straight away. So there's no more message saying insert the disc, because that is now sorted. It's showing us the map. We just need to take the car out now, just so we can test as well that the GPS works. As you can see, it's showing our location already, which is here, which is in Surbiton. That's where we are, next to the A3. So that's correct, but we're just going to take it just to read the map as well, just to make sure it picks up everything. But then, job done. So if you have issues with your PCM 2.1 system, just get in touch with us. Links will be in the description. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.